You were still doing hip hop because
bengenza hip hop vele ngisuka from background yama kwaito na hip hop.
hip hop.
So yeah, mase ngila kuma piano today.
How many tracks are you now?
Ilanga if 12.
Your
12.
album ngempela is not even a mixtape. But the mixtape suvula ushaya 5 songs
Beats by me konke recording ngoba ngisho angena ku wardrobe ngenza yonke.
Ma artist
Because nami yangishaya kakhulu iCovid nje yangidimaza kakhulu yangivusa kwi depression yabo. Noma ngangazi at that time ukuthi ngikuyona
i depression.
But to tell you a quick story about that because ngisiza kanje.
Yeah.
So the year 2019 COVID started in 2019.
Yeah, 2019 uzophela.
Yeah, so
but ibisahlongozo lo bengakavala.
So 2019 yeah ngoba ngisho ngiyaphusha and bese ngihlala la central ngine fats lam na. So doing gigs out there. So those 2 years. Then fast forward to early 2020. And that year ngibona ukuthi hayi ngiyaphumelela ngiyapopa. Ngiwenze ngiyapopa that year because what I did ngashaya ingoma noZakwe. Ana-ke abantu ke abangazi behlehla bebuka umsebenzi wami even like ku YouTube bazobona ngathi 2016 my first music video yabo. Nje ngaqala from then since from 2016 guy ngenza kwahamba ngaba nama break ngaba nenkingi asukuma then but ke
no vele into ebalekile phela is to not quit vele because I think mfethu uNkulunkulu kwayena yabo makwathi uthi ufuna something uvela ufuna ukubeka unyawo entanyeni athi ayu sure yini yabo. Sanibonani babukele emakhaya, it's your boy Lumkile Zinyanga aka Four Hands. I'm back with another episode of Ina Upopile. Nani niyazi ukuthi anganisiqala lapha yabo. Subscribe kuqala yabo. Awu subscribe ile ngani yabo. Subscribe click the notification button, usilandele na ku social media ukuze siqhubeke nje yabo sinilethele nje abantu aba right. Today I'm with a brother lana yabona usuke kude kakhulu kahle
all the way from eJozi.
Amba njani Thembu?
Ngiyaphila my brother njani?
I'm good mfethu, I'm good mfethu.
Number one.
Now thank you nje mfethu for coming through mfethu. Sikwazi nje mfethu to do this podcast. It's a pleasure mfethu.
Siyabonga. Kukude eGoli. How many days ke eGoli I know.
So how's your day nje mfethu going?
Yeah, go hectic. Angithi sikuyi radio tour so nje we in and out up and down so but ke go hectic ngendlela right so.
Yeah, but very it's the life that you choose.
Yeah.
And very enjoy izinto eziza with what you do
comes with the territory.
And futhi right ke mfethu for an artist yabo for an artist.
Yes,
and hopefully nje mfethu will speak about izinto eziningi nje mfethu regarding career yakho mfethu and yabo everything nje mfethu that you do nanezinto that you wanna do futhi ngoba phela zibaleke kakhulu lezo zinto mfethu yabo more than anything mfethu. So ke manje ke nje I think first thing first yabo nje for umuntu ongathi nje namhlanje nje this is my first time ngibona lo bafa yabo ungayichaza ungathi ubani kuyena?
uThimbo lo mfana wasemtuba lo ingane kaManxoma lo abanye bathi umgazo sobethu masiphole sidinana samakhosi esadina amakhosi akaZulu sesiphakathi emalayithini umtshita nje uzenzela amapiano wenza nje umculo uthanda ukubona abantu bejabule through music.
Ngiyakuzwa indlela oyibingiza ngayo ukuthi athi uzovuma ingoma
phela ngisekhaya kuseNatali.
Kodwa kuyafuneka vele lokho eNatali mfethu I feel like iNatali mfethu iphiwe iNatali mfethu
kakhulu bafuna ukuthi if ubuka nje abantu abaningi abaku industry they come from KZN. Banama traces back to KZN so yeah.
Ngoba vele njoba nje nawe usho ukuthi waseNatali ngiyazi vele ukuthi mhlawumbe abantu abaningi vele bazofuna ukuthi siqale lapho because nami ngiyangithanda ukuqala kahle yabo nje before we can even speak about i-career yakho nazo zonke izinto ezenza just nje to get to know you ke manje as a person ukuthi how was it like mfethu yabona nje growing up?
Yeah nje ngiqale la my government name government esepasini uThabiso Nduduzo wakaTshangasi owazala endaweni eseMelmoti kwasekabiyela ubuka then ke ngangakhula khona then abazali bami bamove to eMtuba
Mm.
so la engakhula khona so that's why ngeke ngithi nje ngasemtuba
Oh ufika usungakanani eMtuba?
hey 2 years
Ayibusasemncane.
nami kahle kahle nami le ndaba yaseMelmont ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyavakasha ngiyatshelwa nje kuthiwa hey wena kanje so nje ngiyazi so but ngiyazi sure ukuthi nje angishi ngoba inkaba yami ilapho yaqhutshwa lapho yeah.
Phela kubalekile vele mfethu uthi ungayikhohlwa noma indawo ngathi ayibanga mhlambe naleyo influence engaka ekutheni yabo ukhule ngoba phela mawufika una2 vele kushuthi lapho uMtuba futhi through and through futhi
that's why hleze ngithi uThimbo lo mbalo waseMtuba
so manje ukhule mhlambe ke ekhaya ke mfethu ukhule ekhaya elinjani nje mfethu what was the structure nje mfethu ukhule kusona
ekhaya nje ngikhule no mama nobaba nogogo nama siblings zami amanye nje awu4 nje ngingasho bekumnandi nje bekumnandi noma sibe singenakho konke kodwa nje impilo ibikhona besi happy yeah
ufunde khona eMtuba vele from primary uzophuma
primary yami ngifunde eMtuba endawo kuthiwa isiyathuthuka ngamove ngawufunda eMnotho primary then for my high school bahamba ongivalela boarding school ngaya kaNongoma isikole kuthiwa isemlokotho
kude kanjeni kude phela eMtuba nakaNongoma
ngisibangixoxa ngazi babenzani kodwa ke kwangisiza ngaya for 5 years there from grade until grade 12 so yeah lezo ndawo
so back then mhlambe ungathi because phela for you to be an artist ngeke ngisho mhlambe sometimes yabo it starts at an early age nje artist wise noma ngeke ngithi creative wise yini obuyenza kakhulu at that time
manje music because all thing nje I always knew music because lento the journey nje la ngabona khona ukuthi okay I have an interest in music it's back when I was 9 years old mengibona my older brother and my neighbor benza music then babe like ba influence kakhulu ukuthi ke nami ngingene music and khona lento ababenza nje ayivingichaza kabi ukuthi abanye I'm sure ama 2K ngeke yazi so khona le radio encane le efaka icassette
yeah
ukwazi ukuthi uma ufaka icassette eMT ukwazi ukurecord
ngiyayibona
so sasithatha le radio sifaka icassette eMT then sithathe uCD iCD kaMandoza inkalakazi album kaMandoza
phela that was
there's a track I don't know which number track 7 or track 11 or 6 beat yoda instrumental so sasithatha yona sifaka hi-fi ngala sifake icassette and then is record kanje kuyona sibe le ngoba eziningi nje ngebeat 1 so kahle kahle ubhuti bami nomakhelwane babenza leyo nto so nami ngimncane ngibabona then ngabajoina so
yazi ukuthi nami ngiyakhumbula mfethu ukuthi kudala bithi makuphuma ialbum mfethu iphume nebeat why ama artist engasayenzi vele leyo manje
ayisenze yayiphuma kwakuba khona ingoma kube khona instrumental ingoma so kanje manje akusenzeki
kodwa ngathi ama artists asiyabancisha abantu mfethu because uyabo ukuthi baningi kanjani abantu mhlawumbe uthothi leyo nto ibiba influencer because at the same time now you write your own thing kodwa futhi ubuyizwile nento abayibhalile.
No, but I think like because of his cast shintshile kakhulu ngalesi sikhathi ayingekho ama online platforms so manje I think umuntu mhlawumbe ongenayo access to ama beats engakwazi ukuthi online your YouTube free beats there and then wenza lokho nathi sasikwenza with so it's much easier ngoba kushuthi kuqala wakumele uyithenge iCD noma uthe ithengwe kini so lezo bana access to the instrument so it's easier man when data
so manje benithi mani recorder basenenze njani mase ni recordile do you get to perform lento ni recordile noma nje it was just for fun nje ukuthi nje I know siya recorder nje
angikhumbule ziperformance lezi ayingoma ayikaze iperform mhlawumbe into eyenze ayidlala ku veranda nje dlala nje sihleli lapho kudla ukuthi yikho ukuperforma kwethu but angikhumbule ukuperforma but me because my other brother naye umakhelwane bahamba mbayiyeke indaba yemusic but ngaqhubeka so mina ke into angangenza ama performance like esikoleni if there are functions ngithola but nakhona ngiperform ingoma zabantu yabo ingoma zomsawawa ingoma zo Elvovo ngasekhaya ungaya imtuba nje kaMsana ubabuza ukuthi uba Elvovo utshela ukuthi hayi Elvovo
vele idirang yayinamandla vele
yayinamandla idirang ngiphefoma ingoma zedirang so nami cha bengibiza kanjalo yabo so
usho vele lento music vele usuka nayo kude kahle yabo
idini lento iphakathi
and plus yazi ukuthi sometimes abantu ukuthi ukunganaki mfethu ukuthi i-environment okuyona usuya influenceka yabo mawuzofika uinfluencewe by your older brother nomngani wakhe but bona they end up yabo bengasayipursue icraft then usale wena uyipursue icraft shothi vele bona they were brought there ukuthi nje
befake mina kuyona nje bafethu ngibele nina la but unfortunately my neighbor Mjabulo so I was passed away so RIP to him.
No, I may rest in peace mfethu.
But ke kubamele.
Akubalekile phela mfethu kubamele. So ke manje ngoba phela uma susemakhaya mfethu usuqala futhi usuqala ke manje usuthi uyaphusha ke manje ku music yabo uye wenze njani uye waqala wathi uzoba i-professional artist khona usasemakhaya noma mhlambe uye wabona ukuthi no I must move out mhlambe ngeke ngiye kwenye indawo and just start this thing.
Lento music especially if usamncane futhi ungenazo ama resource or imali because the biggest issue ofihla benabanye they still facing ukuthola la uzorecorda khona because italent elikhona ama lines uyacabanga but umuntu uzokhandela i-beats umuntu uzokurecorda so lokho kuye kube i-struggle so nami ngasifisa kakhulu lo struggle ngisemncane like even through my high school life because mangakubalela nje through high school life yami i1 ngoma ngayirecord ngayirecorda like 2010 nakhona mina ngiyiperform emshadweni kababa nakhona ngayirecord emini ngoba yaperform ngashada ntambama like nje kushesha yabo this the only song engakwazi ukurecord but okunye nje ngangifreestyle nje yabo because ayingekho studio la ngizokwazi ukurecorda khona it was until ngiqeda when I went to varsity ke khona la eThekwini then ngaqala ke manje ngabona ekuthiwa i-laptop into kanje then ngayifundisa ukuthi ushaya kanjani i-beat urecorda kanjani so
ubuhlala nje no FL Studio nje endlini noma you were using another platform
yabona nje ihleze ngithi umuntu othi akona iskill angasazi uyaganga because YouTube is there like University of YouTube like ayikho into ongekuyithola so nami nje ngayifundisa ukuthi how to make a beat noma aye better phela kodwa ngangikwazi ukuyeza noma i-recording yami ayibetter kodwa still khona ngakwenza and manje is better because of time yabo
vele kodwa phela you can't run away mfethu from ukubheda umuntu ongafuni ukubheda vele should vele akafuni ukuba right ngoba phela ngeke mfethu akweqiwa mfethu yabo kweqiwa I think ukuthi leyo nto it holds back some of amanye ama artists futhi ukuthi umuntu ufuna ukuqala perfect mfethu yabo because akubalekile kahle to start perfect mfethu ukuthi nje uyiperfect lento lokhu uyenza yabo as you keep doing it
yabo nje usasho lokho ngikhumbule enye into nje ngicabanga ukuthi yazi umuntu ufortunate ngokuthi mhlawumbe uyele esikoleni like from high school even nevarsity ngobani uma kulezo ndawo iyona i-playground yakho la uzokwazi ukhule khona uteste khona because mhlawumbe ama fans akho abantu abakusupportayo so being close to a certain community like esikoleni uzokwazi ukuthi bazokusupport ngoba bayazi ufana esikoleni ubhede unjalo kodwa kuzokukhulisa yabo kuzokukhulisa lokho la ufika khona nje community ofika kuyona uyenze lizokukhulisa then mase sekumele uye ngaphandle usunayo confidence sekukhona ukukhula ngoba uqalile wangaba perfect so uma usesikoleni usevarsity ungasho ukuthi ngilento ukuthi ngize because that's the time uqale right now
plus ngisho igazi lisuke lisagijima nalo lisuke nalo sasho phela ukuthi hey I'm still a teenager I'm still a youth yabo because uma uyouth mfethu uthola ukuthi hey ugijima kakhulu I feel like uma usufika koma 30s sondela uthi la uqala ubona khona uba skeptical ngento eziningi manje
ukuthi nempilo phela sihambile sekukhona nabantwana mhlawumbe abanye sekumele uyimele so masumdala yithi.
So ever city were you doing anything mhlambe related to music uwenza ziphi lento zani ifunda?
Ngiyafisa ngangenza something related to music but ekhaya bebeke bevuma.
Hey
So,
plus abazali mfethu.
University of KZN, UKZN.
Hey Howard Westville.
Ejude. So
You're doing teaching.
ngenza teaching education nje. Ngikhuluma nomenyere.
Hey uyabona ukuthi ke ivele ihambisana and vele namanje you still like teaching. How long have you been teaching?
Since from 2018, so how many years? 6 or 7 years?
7 yeah, 2018.
Yes. Nami ngiyathoka ukuthi ngidala nje. Yeah.
Cha
Base ngiqale ngincane ukufundisa mhlawumbe ngina 20 years ngiqala ukusebenza. So sebezobona abantu iminyaka yami kodwa yeah.
Phela sebebalile vele mawuzothi 7 uyabona sebebalile vele.
Yeah.
Ngoba ngeke vele phela bangabali yabo. Ukulodwa phela vele izinto ezinjenganalena kunina vele Wikipedia vele bazoyiveza lento ezinikhipha umsebenzi vele Wikipedia vele bazoyibeka.
Phela batshisa ngi2K ngisabanye. Batshisa ngi2K manje masebenza ngathi 90
manje ubaphekisi futhi nawe mawuthi mabethatha
phela
i2K.
ngitsimele ngene ebantwini yabo. Phela ama2K iwona futhi phela ama-fans ethi kakhulu asupportayo. So mina nginama ngirelate kubona but yeah angikho mdala kakhulu nami ngikhule ngesikhathi sama2K noma ngizalwe ngama 90s but nje upbringing
yeah khona kunjalo ke vele. So ukufundisa kwakho ke what experiences mhlambe nje ube nawo ke manje kwi teaching ngoba phela as a creative mfethu and then you have umsebenzi mfethu official ibalancing yakho yabo ube namapha ama experiences kuyona.
So in terms of balancing I ngisho ukuthi nginayo inkinga because lento ngayiqala even from varsity so I was ngibalancisa ukufunda nakube artist. So nje sengajwayela kusegazini even ngiqala ukusebenza coming to 10 manje. So because ngikujwayela it's not easy but ngoba sengijwayela so kuyabalance.
So awukwazi ube ne break ukuthi uthi I know manje ngisafundisa kuphela manje yabo then mhlawumbe uphinde ubuye back music uthe nje ukuqala nje ko2 you just went on it kona ukubili.
Idonento inama ups and downs more kakhulukazi ku music nama ups and downs ukushayeka ukuthi ngiyayeka lento laba lento ngiyayeka ngisindawo vele ngiyasebenza nguthisha mina hayi manje ngoba iphupho ke liyakuhlupha ecele kungayeki.
Ufundisa siphi isifundo ngoba manje uma ngibheka best uyibuko zakhe ngiyabona ngathi maths teacher le.
Kanti ibuko lezo singaxhosha ama lights. Hayi ngoba kanje kodwa yeah uqinisile yeah qualified FET maths and accounting teacher.
Okanti ufundisa high school ufundisa FET noma ufundisa high school
but ngithi FET isho ukuthi ngiyafundisa nje high school yonke like from grade 8 up to
awufiki kodwa
kuyahluka kansi khona uGET khona oECD yabo so intermediate densi so mina cha ngithi ECD crash intermediate densi kanjalo primary grade 7 to grade 9 GET then grade 10 to grade 12 FET.
Uyazi ukuthi mina uma uthi FET mina ngithi hayi ngishabe college straight.
Ngithi ne college nayo ingena lapho shuthi nase college ngingafundisa
hayigo
FET iqala ka grade 10 she's from grade 10 up nje until
kahle umuntu ushuthi isystem education akayazi ngalendlela
yazi abangaphakathi bayazi bangizwa kahle bathi yabona ke lo khuluma language yethu.
So ke manje ke usuqala ke manje let's go back to ke manje to music ke yabo kuona ku music ke what was umsebenzi mhlawumbe wokuqala that you released ke nje manje kusuqala ke manje uthi no let me take this thing professional yabo.
So njengoba ngisho ukuthi ke high school life yami ngeke ngisho ngivalelekile but ngivalelekile ngoba sase boarding school so ayikwangeke ukuthi I can make music njengabantu abahlala ekhasi. So mina ngivalelekile nencwadi zami nje kuphela. So then when ngaqala ke 2014 eVarsity and ngangiqala nje ngibe ne laptop even nje ukuthi ngangisabi laptop mina ngaqala through ibasari engayithola yawazi ukuthi ihambisana ne laptop so ngathola laptop ngoba ngisho baje ngishilo ukuthi ngayifundisa so ekufundiseni kwami I made It's a mixtape, it's album, no,
Yeah.
but I made leyo nto leyo ngayifaka and ama-CD ngaleso sikhathi hayi ngathi 2014 ayisekhona ama-CD engakaphumi njengoba sephumile right now.
Yeah.
So ngabhena ama-CD vele laptop yakwazi ukubhena ama-CD. Ngabhena ama-CD ngadesign icover ngahamba ngoyiprinta esikoleni yansi evasithi namaleni nemishini yokuprinta.
Yeah, amaleni.
Printer lento siya ngesikera ngafaka ngathenga ama-case ngayifaka lento ngashaya uDotsuto erace.
Yo,
UDotsuto ngidayisa 20 rand mba. Mhlawumbe kwathenga abawuthulu mase. Odaye ngisho ukuthi bathi kwakuyinto okukhunya ngayo ecampusini ngoba ngenza nama-poster, ngahamba ngwafaka ecampusini. Ngenza nama-poster. So abantu babeyazi ukuthi ikhona into kanje ukuthi phela abantu abafuna ukukhipha imali and ama-students.
Yeah.
So kodwa babeyazi ngami and makhona ama-shows babesho ukuthi hayi no mina ngizoperforma. So wona umsebenzi wami wokuqala lo. Noma awungekho professional but
no, but it was very brave mfethu. Yazi uphele varsity akekho mfethu abantu aba always look down on themselves like ama student mfethu ase varsity. Yabo nje isibindi sokuthi nje ukwazi ukuthi yonke lento uthi uma usuyenzile base uphinda futhi uthi uyise kubantu bangaka abantu banethathe.
Abanye babengihleka chef ngiyakhumbula kodwa laba babengihleka base bengincoma because mase ngishaya i40 years ngiphuma because iskills sesiphezulu kakhulu. Base beshe boy yazi ngiyakhumbula ufela very sayo ngithi le ntwana yenzani. Kodwa bathi yazi ngiyabona ukuthi yeah khona lento
i-drive nje mfethu nami sengibona i-drive nje ukuthi shuthi you really had yabo i-drive yalento ukuthi okay let me push myself ukuthi ayi
ngifisa nokuyiza la le mixtape yo yaphethe bangilalela manje ayi
awala phela I'm sure ukuthi la ukuza ukuthi hey no I was hungry were you doing amapiano ngasosikhathi ngoba amapiano bengadumi no mhlawumbe you were still doing hip hop because phela
bengenza hip hop vele ngisuka from background yama kwaito and hip hop yeah mase ngila kumapiano today.
How many tracks are you now?
Ngaka if 12
Yo, album ngempela it's not even a mixtape. But the mixtape suvula ushaya 5 songs
beats by me konke recording ngoba ngisho angena ku wardrobe ngenza yonke.
Awu recordela ungena ku wardrobe ungena kanjani manje ku wardrobe?
Angithi phela ngathi ngathenga i-laptop le. So mathenga i-laptop mele ube ne-mic. Yeah, almost like abakanje apropose ukwazi record. So imali yabiza mic yokurecorda. So ngathenga le mic yase call center nje le my phone ihamba nje. So USB mic ngifake manje for cause ayithathi kahle umsindo idinga ngathi ngaba soundproof. Njengoba ukhona ezibhonje la. So ivalele phakathi ngirecorde vele beat sengishayile idlala ngirecorde ngiyimixele imasteration lento yami ebhedayo kodwa kube phuma
kodwa creative shoot into yakho very creativity mfethu yabo into okusho ongayiforce kahle
hayi ukuzama lokho nje ukuyifaka hey bathi sayifaka ukuyifaka
ngoba phela uma ungayipush wena mfethu uzophushwa ubani yabo
yeah akekho nobody's coming to save you wena kuphela ngazi ukuyisave.
So emva kwalokho what was the next project ke?
So from there ke fortunately the following year ngathola ke ibasari nje yangempela sile hall le kunika nje imali. Ngathenga equipment e-studio. Ngathenga equipment e-studio ngaqala ke manje ke ngawenza umsebenzi. Then nje unyaka wonke lapho ngicamisa ngiyifundisa one pushing ezinye
kuphula neskill nje.
2016 hayi ngaqala ke abantu ke abangazi behlehla bebuka umsebenzi wami even like ku YouTube bazobona ngathi 2016 my first music video. Nje ngaqala ke from then since from 2016 ke ngenza kwahamba ngaba nama break ngaba nenkingi asukuma then but ke sabalana.
No vele into ebalekile phela is to not quit vele because I think mfethu uNkulunkulu kwayena yabo makwathi uthi ufuna something uvela ufuna ukubeka unyawo entanyeni athi are you sure yini yabo
yeah sure yeah
ihlezi izokuchallenge. So lobu usukhipha kona 2016 ubusuna nama track amangako na abese maningi kunalawa noma bengaphansi
ingoma bese nginazo but ke bengasakhiphi like yo album mixtape bese ngikhipha nje nga single like single ngisha music video khona ngipromote nje kanjalo sekhipha ama single so yeah but umsebenzi wona ukhona nje ku vault nje uvalelekile
ubusasayine kuwena vele lapho bungena bantu obusebenzisana nabo eceleni.
at that time or
At that time,
yeah bengisebenza nje ngiyi-one yabo ngizamele ngiyi-one.
Okay, yeah, ngoba phela ngifuna ukuthi kahle kahle ijeni size nayo kancane yabo.
Kancane,
Size kancane ngoba manje ngiyabona
Yeah.
manje sisi 2016 manje yabo.
Yeah, 2016 yeah ngiqale ke nami ngize ngiqale neyami inkampani lapho ngaqala ngaba involved into eningi so ngaqala even i-brand this like abangigqokile la
Ngapha ukuthuna.
but Crew Life, so I have a brand, a clothing brand igama la Crew Life, so nayo ngaqala at that time. Khona lapho so that's why bengisho ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi uma usesikoleni use that as your playground.
Yeah.
Because le mixtape yami lebhedayo abantu abayizwa yilabo and ngakhula through bona ikhipha zami zayibheda nazo mhlawumbe manje sezingcono ezayibheda ngaso sikhathi zayithengwa yibona
but uyiphusha still.
So kodwa nje konke la ngathi mengiphuma lo 4 years ngaphuma nje izinto yami si proper.
Yeah.
Yabo so kulo nyaka ke ngaqala zonke lezi zinto ke brand ngaqhubeka nawo ku music nje ngaqala manje ngihamba uma ngiyaperforma yembe yeah fast forward waze ngaqeda 2017 and 2018 ke ngaba nenhlahle phela ukuthi ngiqashwa khona la eThekwini ngokusebenza lokho uthisha ke then futhi ngaqala ke ngakhanda ke futhi ku music nje nokho ngidropa kanje ama music video singing music video until to a point la engama khona ke ngathi ukuma mhlawumbe for a period of 2 years it was because of COVID.
COVID wathintile mfethu ama artist
because nami yangishaya kakhulu COVID nje yangidimaza kakhulu yangivusa kwi depression yabo noma ngangingazi at that time ukuthi ngiyona
i depression
but to tell you a quick story about that because ngisiza kanje.
Yeah.
So the year 2019 COVID started in 2019.
Yeah, 2019 uzophela.
Yeah, so
but bisahlongozo lo bengakavali.
So 2019 yeah ngoba ngisho ngiyaphusha and bese ngihlala la central ngine flats lami na. So doing gigs out there. So those 2 years then fast forward to early 2020. And that year ngibona ukuthi hayi ngiyaphumelela ngiyapopa. Ayikwazi ngiyapopa that year because what I did ngashaya ingoma noZakwe 2020 hip hop song.
What was the name of song?
Pakistan.
Pakistan sengifisa ukwazi ukuthi eyikhuluma ngani mfethu Pakistan.
You remember this song ngoma le yakudala nje quite esiswe Pakistani bamanali phansi ulencane. Kancane mina ngizokwenzela ubumnandi
yeah
lo mshiso lo yaphathile khohle igama lakhe so le ngoma inspired by le ngoma yakhe lo so yeah ingoma kanjalo ke so sayenza so masiyenza at that time njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ngabeze ngine branding so nginayi branding ngala icele ngiyayenza and it was doing very well at that time in such a way ukuthi ngathi nokulekha kancane ku music because manje ngibona
ibrand ukuthi ayi plus khona phela udayisa into edayiswa manje shintshana isandla
music wayenza so seshe ukuthi yakhulu into yami ngaze ngaba ne office space around la eThekwini commercial city ngaba office space late 2019 coming to 2020 nje into yami is pushing then 2020 ke ngine lo office space le then sengale ngoma
noZakwe plus
so we
was already big vele
ngesikhathi still until this day. So the plan was to do a radio tour.
Yeah.
So uthi le ngoma ngiyenza noZakwe soqala ke shuthi Limpopo Gauteng Mpumalanga sivalela ekhaya KZN.
Yeah.
Sami siphusha le ngoma le and the brand. But ke uyazi ke mesibuka izinto ezinjalo ke udinga imali
yeah plus ngeke vele
imali to book indawo in advance i transport yabo so I managed ukuthi ngihlanganise lo mali anti mind you I have this business engiphushayo so ngahlanganisa
and uyafundisa futhi
ngala yabo so ikhona lo madlana le so ngayithatha lo mali ngainvest on this thing with okay a movie
yeah
so sengifakele imali ayikuthi ready vele Baba Ramaphosa wasibiza
Hey.
family meeting.
But we are going to 21 days.
Wow, 21
Hey,
days.
phinda wasiphansela.
Aphela wazowaphela 2 years.
Eish.
No, wazowaphela 2 years. So at that time indaba yengoma vele nje went south because sasiyiphusha kahle through leyo nto leyo yabo went south and umuntu wayengayinakela kakhulu indaba ye-social media because
Yeah.
wayekumanga kuthiwa wayinaka mhlawumbe something could have happened.
Yeah, ngoba phela streaming kahle kahle I feel like engathi streaming sibhume ngayo isikhathi se-COVID.
Yeah,
Because phela
kakhulu,
noshimza nabo baphakama lapho ukuthi kuqale kushawa ama-lockdown ama-online lockdown sibona ngathi hayi.
Yeah, i-social media yabhuma kakhulu that time. So umuntu nje asawuwisho ukuthi umuntu wayefocus ngendlela focus ngayo social media at that time. But ke kuyi-process yokufunda konke kwakwenziwa. So alivaleke i-country Ramaphosa, so ingoma akasakwazi ukuyiphusha, so le mali engifakile iyacwila yabo, and imali enkulu iyacwila. Ngala ngine-office angithi and ngeze ngine-office I'm paying i-rent, kuyabiza
Hey plus commercial kuyabiza ngifikele kuyona nami eThekwini. Hayi commercial
yabiza.
i-rent yakhona is never stable.
Yabo and charge ugesi amanzi yabo nje
inkinga kakhulu.
Deposits akhona mangaka yabo. So yeah. Sengihluleka ukurenta ke manje because I'm not making money. Manje ngihluleka ukurenta, ngihluleka ukukhokhela ama-employees ami. Ngisho ukuthi ngahluleka ukurenta baze bayivalele into zami ezinye like some of my
Ebla basezoyidayisa komfundisi bazigebeni.
Yazi ukuthi umfundisi but ke akusumfundisi abaphathi babo, umfundisi umsebenzi bakithi. Ngabe ngimthanda
Ah nami ngimkhonze kaphathi phela
usebenzisini.
Nathi mfethu swe nathi singeke vele sinqabe uma sekuthiwa hey kunento ethile lapha yabo.
Yeah, so ngashiya like into zami, the only thing I manage ukuthi nje ngikwazi ukweqa nayo ngaphuma ngeqa nayo is studio equipment yabo, yona nje computer nama monitor nama mic, yonke futhi ngaphuma na ngenkani okunye kwasala imishini yokuprinta nje lo imishini yokuthunga noma ngathi ngithunga I had design engithungela, so anginemishini le seyuthunga ukuhlohlona kwawo ukuthi uthungani engithungela. So they qalahla yonke nje lokho because angazakwazi ukukhokha rent, so bavala bathi bazovula wasengikhokha.
Yeah, vele phela benze njalo lapho commercial vele.
Shuthi vele indlela yabo ukuthi for sure sebayidayisa. So ke konke lokho kwangenza ukuthi ngibe depressed kakhulu. Ngayitshela ukuthi ngiyawuyeka umusic because ngathi hayi ngiyawuyeka umusic. Bathi ngishiya phansi lento vele engenze lutho, at least sengiyasebenza yabo. Nguthisha impilo izoqhubeka. But ngoba iphupho uma iphupho lizokuhlupha. Ingakho kubalekile nje manje uphuma ecele kancane, kubalekile ukuthi if usamncane usane opportunity yokuchase amaphupho achase, ngoba ngeke ngibona abantu abadala abangathola ithuba lokuchase amaphupho ngeza sehlwahlwa abanalo void isikhala sokuthi
sivaleki futhi
asivaleki beze bezama ukuyivala ngezingane zabo, yabo befuna ingane yakhe ukuthi yenze lokho,
sifuna bayiphile ngamaphupha ayo manje
yabo. But I understand abanye basuka kwi area but so it was not easy for amaphupho ukuthi yabo aphumelele yabo. So yeah, so nje bengisasho ukuthi nje yonke lento leyo yona ke nje yangifaka ke ngaba depressed. But ke into ngasho ukuthi yangisiza because I didn't stop making music, but I said ngiyayeka ukuba nje ube ufuna i-superstar.
Yeah.
So stick nje kwi brand, stick yabo into zami yabo. And I also had the business play sound, yoqashisa ngesound. So I was like, okay, yeah, it's lento music ezancane.
Cha ukuthi right wena ngoba ngazi ukuthi vele into yakho music mfethu ihlanganisa nebusiness yabo, because most artists if they don't understand ukuthi lezi zinto ziya relate kahle kahle yabo, because kuyinkinga mfethu to be an artist and ungabi na into ene business mindset kancane yabo, uthothi izokudla uphila lento leni yabo.
Ingakho hlezi khona izitori nje abantu bekhala because abafuni ukunika isikhathi to educate themselves ukuthi the music business hamba kanjani, like because kumele like it's a full course le. But ngoba ngisho ukhona YouTube University of YouTube, you can go there you search ukuthi ihamba
uzoyithola yonke into oyifunayo
Yonke
vele
into
ku YouTube
oyifunayo.
akukho kuzosala ngemuva kuthiwa hayi no ugeje lokho ugeja lokho. So manje after ke mhlambe ngesikhathi ubusuthi ubusushawa na depression, did you go back home noma futhi uqhubekile wathi ukuhlala la and just
phela
give
ngithi I'm
yourself a
working,
chance?
I was working ngisahlala la eThekwini, I was working, so ayikho i-option ukuthi ngikhaya, so I had to work yabo, siya khona emsebenzini kunjalo lesikhathi singama essential work. Then yeah, ngaqhubeka ngahlala, but ke ngoba ngisho ukuthi into eyangisiza is to continue making music. Ngase ngiwenza music because I can and ngiyawuthanda.
Ngaleso sikhathi ubusuventshile emapiano noma ubusayi hip hop?
That time amapiano ayengaka mhlawumbe ingoma esakhona ngumshuvi. So ayingabi thing nami ngangayitshela ukuthi ngizoba influenced ngendlela ukuthi ngicela sengiyawenza.
Yeah.
So ngangaka hip hop at that time. So ke me not stopping ukwenza music ikhona ongangisiza because bengiwenza I was just making for fun because in the studio I can then lokho makufika abantu endlini yami beyakhala ngale ngoma bethi oh boy lengoma yabo mase kukhala abantu abaningi because phela iyasho leli phupha likhona ngaphakathi.
Yeah.
So ukukhala wabo kwangi-motivate ukuthi so ngase ngithi hayi into yazini we back again. So the year now is
22 should 22.
Yeah, 2022.
Yeah, because uthe 2 years after
2022. Then ngihamba nje my first track kuma DSP like your Spotify, your iTunes, ingoma ngayikhipha that year. Yabo lenze ngaqala
yayithini igama layo?
Bayabaleka.
Yayikhuluma ngani?
Funny part ngengoma mina I was just nje writing i-vibe to i-beat ngibhala kodwa mase sengiqhubeka ngelalela ngiyasho ukuthi hawu ngoba ngibhala ngenhliziyo ngoba ithi ngiyababona bayabaleka kodwa ngibazi babalekelani nalesimo ngazi kanjani isimo kwasikhuluma ngesimo kodwa mase bayabaleka kanti sho ukuthi anganganakile ukuthi sho ukuthi ngiya reflect to whatever I was going through. Ngabhala ngibone after ukuthi hawu yazi babebaleka ngempela abantu walakho imali ayisekho bazi abantu kanjani yabo
plus bahlezi benjalo phela ila uyithola khona phela sikhathi bebalekile oh kahle kahle mina vele ngubani
so beza kahle babaleka look at me now.
So ke manje ke ngifuna ke sike sikhuluma about you ke manje ke meeting i-Resonation ukuthi uhlangana kuphi ke nayo ke manje ke after ukhiphi ebaleka noma
so from babaleka okay lapho ke vele sengiback nje ngiyadropa until 20 hayi iminyaka yazi lento kwenze okuningi in a short space. Just until last year 2024 khona ingoma ngangiyikhipha so nje as yonke into ngizenzela mina independent. So I was like okay ubaba ngangisiza to promote this song so ngabathola abafits online i-Resonation ukuthi phela bengisiza then bangisiza ngise promote lo ngo asazani manje uhlangana nje online yabo
bakubona
baseJuice mina ngihlala la iPoint baseJuice bona nje akaze ngibabona okay bangisiza ngepromotion leyo for the song yabo hayi idluleke so nje kwenze ukuthi lokhu nje siya exchange because mina ngiyathanda ukubuza yabo lokhu ngiyabuza sithi lokhu siya exchange yama conversation nje and ngicela kungifikela ke last year ukuthi yazi so kahle kahle kwangifikela kanjani ukuthi ngihambe so ngavela nje into embi ngalahlekelwa imoto yabo mangitshela imoto uyazi ke ipholo abaliye
futhi ke
so babesesele imoto so I think leyo nto le ngathi yashaya restart ikhanda lami somehow and then nje sixoxa nama colleagues ami khona basejethi ukuthi hawu indaba ongayigula naye sho uthi indaba ongayigula ngoba vele wenza lento I was like yes because I think ngoba kwakuyileyo period nje umqondo wami wawuqala phansi anyway yabo because of lento eyembenzeke so ngathatha isinqumo ukuthi ngigula so ke joining this story that ngisesho se-Resonation sa communicate nabafethu and ngoba nguthisha ke lento yokumove awuveli nje ukuthi akusasa ngiyamove mele wenze into ekuthiwa cross transfer process and it takes years for abanye abantu yabo because mele uthathe uthola uthisha ongale wena swipe ezindaweni yakho cause abafuni iduri mele suke endaweni yakho nayo kanjalo isuke nje khaxa khaxa so mele kufane ifundi kufane yonke into
eish yabona ke
so mina ke just ngicabangile lonto sengidecide ukuthi okay ngiyahamba ngibhale ku Facebook within nje an hour ngathola abantu abawu3 abafuna ukuza ngala nje la ngiqala ukubona khona ukuthi uNkulunkulu nami yabona la ngiqala ukuthi uNkulunkulu bekithi ungahlile but ngabona kusuka lapho sabe unami hawu yami process ke hawu yashesha ngaqala October ngoba ngisho ithatha years baba I'm sure kuyimanje khona ophekwayo kade uyiqala October okay November imela kancane process ngoba sekuyabhala because abantu kumele kusayine abantu abaningi on high places ukuze kufike ku department head so yathi kumancane November December ngoba kuyabhala exam ba busy and futhi December so yasekuvaliwe so futhi khona lo pause and then January ayiqhubeke nje by February bese ilungile yathi ngo March mina ngiqale ngale so
March last year
March this year so manje story sami sesidis so ngiqalile ngoma so it's been a month kahle ngimovile ngisuka la eThekwini to eJozi and lots has happened so uma ngifika ke eJozi ngafike la ngizohlala khona ngahlala eSoweto endeni laba fethu ku Reason nje ngehlahla kaNkulunkulu njengoba ngisho uNkulunkulu ngabona khona ukuthi ukhona kule journey uhamba nami bahlala nje just 10 minutes walk from la ngihlala khona manje uphela bawumuntu odrivayo ngithi ngisacabanga ukuthi laba fethu mangihlala nawo kumele ngisuke
yabona eplaza phela ungayazi futhi nanendawo
yabo kanti bahlala just 10 minutes walk nje ukuthi ngehla umgwaqo nje bobo sengifikile kubona ngiyabona thawu nje kwalula so from there sabanenkulumo ke bathi hayi bazokwazi ukuthi ngisize ngeke ngimanage nje sifika that day nje ngifikile so we had that conversation so from inyanga eqalile we've been to a lot of places njengoba sibone sila eThekwini nje and sahamba indawo eningi so we radio tour so siqale ukuthi okay so wenze radio and podcast tour nabo to just to bring to build awareness
ukuthi I know usukhona manje
so bangisizile kakhulu nje Reason Nation guys check them out Reason Nation Records go kama platform so nawe for your management stuff because bangisiza ngemanagement
so iziphi ezinye izinto mhlawumbe nje sezizonke nje masingasi list mhlawumbe nje izinto abazenzayo ukuze because phela abantu mfethu uyazi ukuthi bathi mabebuka izinto ezikanje siyafuna futhi phela baphinde
ngoba
subscribe abantu
ey'ntweni ku Reason Nation Records they do everything that has to do with the music
even show register
from years to promote ukuthi promote kanjani to nje everything that has to do with the music so nje hit them up uzobona nama page abo ukuthi yini abayenza abanama artists abapushayo which is nami I'm one of them so kuningi abawenzayo
because phela kubalekile vele I'm sure now ukuthi uyawubona umehluko from being just wena nje uyiphushela then manje usunabantu abangemuva futhi who also want the same thing as wena ayifani yabo
is the thing engangihlezi ngiyikhulekela for years and ngizamile because ngiyazi ukuthi uzophumelela ku music you can't do it alone you need a team a strong team ezobe sepagini le one nayo so I've tried it 1-2 times if not 3 namajita kuhluleka ngingenzeki so because I always knew ukuthi I need a team so I feel like manje ngitholile lo team so to go back to ukuthi ngitshelele abantu ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi ube ne team because ungakwazi yes uma artist independent gcina ukuphoqa ukuthi okay do everything your own because awuna ama resources kumele khona uzokushutha ngizayishutha mina ngi-editing ngishale mina graphic mina yabona njengoba nami nje ngisho ukuthi ngangishaya ama beats ngi-recording angisakwenza all lo because now I have a team khona nje abadila nalokho so ngizofocus mina eculeni so kubalekile ukuthi ube ne team yabo even i team ngathatha abangani bakho ukuthi into abanokuyenza abantu bafuna ukucula bonke kanti kungcono ukuthi khona abaculayo khona siyazi khona abashuthayo khona yabo khona nje abangemuva ukuze yonke into superstar le yabo so umuntu kumele ebe ne role azoyidlala yabo so lokho kuyasiza kakhulu kodwa phela uma ngingakenzeki for wena no it's fine not ukuthi awenze kahle just nje keep on praying keep on hoping ukuthi uzobathola abantu aba right abazobe sepageni elilodwa nawo.
And futhi vele if umuntu ngampela u really works hard mfethu and uyijaha izinto ngampela uyifuna umhlaba vele uzokuhlanganisa nawo nabo
yeah because nami ngihlangane ne resignation ngithi angibheka ukuthi ngifuna ukupromote le ngoma yami ngeze ukhona abafisa abasizayo ukuthi bepromote bekusiza ingoma yakho bepromote ku Spotify ngathi ngixoxa yabona ukuthi manje sengine management and say lo 30 days lo is one of the busiest 30 days in my life ukuthonga mbazi but ngendlela right ngendlela right busy nje siyafika la eThekwini I was in and out so yeah ngaphandle ukuthi nami ngiyifake ngicela ngibathola ngangeke ngibathola
hayi khona ongeke ngoba phela mfethu kubalekile ama artists ukuthi vele ama artists manje analeyo nto ukuthi kuthiwa kunezinto kuthiwa uyidingi kanti lutho mfethu yabo abantu ngampela uma ukuthi yabona uma uzothi ubusy plazi ke eJozi ke mfethu na uthi eJozi into emnana abantu baseJozi lo mqondo okuhasilisha mfethu nokuhlezi ugijima ukho unlike la eThekwini abantu bane talent banayo yonke into but babuye balale too much yabo umuntu ubuthongo obukhonziwe yabo
I think ngoba baseduze nasemakhaya kodwa phela hayi wonke umuntu bakithi singazisiso umuntu eseThekwini but ingoba kuyi campus zone because nami njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngoba ngila ethi phela kufanele sikusuke eMtoba fine kodwa la ngafika 2014 ethi kufanele sikusekhaya so campus zone so ngiyabuka within the 30 days ngihambile kusekwenzeke into mhlawumbe bengayenza mina ngonyaka wonke yeah but within 30 days so imagine the next 60 days 90 days or yeah ukuthi
ngoba kusho ukuthi phela future very bright phela lapho mfethu kubalekile ukubambisana mfethu yabo kubaleke kakhulu ukubambisana so manje ke njengoba ususeJozi ke have you released anything ke latest njengamanje mhlawumbe singathi njengoba niphusha vele nawe iphusha kakhulu abantu ukuthi nabo bafike bayibone
something is cooking in the oven so khona into ezayo very soon so and so besimplathele nje one of your favorite big artists but ke owamanje ngeke smush because asifuni ukujinxa so nje the best you can do ukuthi ufollow mina ku social media Thibo SA which is TBOESA across all platforms uzowazi ukubona ukuthi hamba nje keep on but ke lenyanga sikuyona something is going to be dropping this month but it is arriving but definitely this month and a lot of work also working with EP ezophuma and a lot of talented producers from that side umsebenza nabo so nje just tune in kuma social media platform also zowazi ukubona ku Resonation ma page yabo ukuthi what's happening what's going to happen next so yeah
hayi kuhle ukubambisana mfethu ngiyayithanda indlela enibambisene ngayo mfethu yabo i right because nami ubafuthe nje kade ngithinta ngithi yabo futhi ngambona nayo ukuthi u serious yabo ngoba phela sometimes yabo ku social media mfethu thola abantu abaningi na mfethu abafe bathi awona kha umuntu uma sengibela afika akasafiki yabo ubonto kahlahle uyafisa kodwa manje yabo uma uzothola abantu mfethu abathi no let's make it happen try no day after tomorrow yabo iyajabulisa mfethu leyo nto because nathi abantu mfethu are always yabo working mfethu because nami mina umuntu olithanda kakhulu mfethu ihustle yabo ngalithanda kakhulu there's no thina sina backup mfethu ihustle lona yabo lona mfethu so kuyaphoqa nje ukuthi ngaphela hlezi nje lento siyiphusha mfethu siyiphusha so ke manje ama artist ke nje mhlambe ke sengingasasho ukuthi mhlambe ubale lo ozosebenza naye mhlambe imam nje ama artist nje asithi nje because anganivele uma usushaya ipiano kakhulu yabo kusona nje piano space mfethu that you would like ukuthi nje ukusebenze nabo mhlambe nje sike sinje like 5 artists
5 yo ngimana ngizobala from the abantu abaproduceayo noma ngizobala nje abantu
no I think ukuwena mfethu because yabo because phela uyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi vele bayafuna ukuthi hayi thwe umapolisi yabo thengele iKFC umapolisi adle yonke
yazi nalokho kweKFC lokho KFC abantu ba misinterpreta ingakho balekile ukuthi ube music business we understand because land uma umuntu understand music business uma policy mayisho land uzoy understand ngeke uyize njengomuntu because let ayisho mapolisa ikho
yeah
ikho yona but ke naye it's a topic for another day usichaza ukuthi kanjani so abathi futhi ukusebenza nabo besides nje ama legends bona mapolisa
awukabza vele ostoke ngoba phela vele iwona ama OGs vele ayipiyana yabo
Scoop sathatha ICU ngoba phela sengingabala nabantu producer Scoop sathatha ICU uzinxumalo
uziwa umuntu ufuna usenza nozivi
uziwakithi zingwakini naziThimbo lo vaze Mhlubo lo ingane kaManxumalo so sisonke yabo so uzinxumalo
nayo usuka kwi hip hop njalo yabo because phela uzina he used to do like hip hop ufethu yeah
nje so let's make it happen youngster
youngster futhi nabo abanye abantu ufethu we've done a lot for igame yabo
kakhulu youngster Amos PC singidlule ku5
asike sithi ku4
yeah PC
yeah because uTyler uZ Amos PC
yeah who's the last one igenga yasegipa ngasigipa noma igipa entertainment like Scott ulimeke
uScott Maphumulo utrenda for wrong reasons kulezi insuku kodwa futhi manje abantu bamthanda
phela vele comes with the territory if there's a lot of love there's going to be a lot of hate yabo so
kodwa nanokuthi abantu vele because mina ngayizwa lento eyisho but hey mfethu uyabaza abantu ukuthi they always gonna interpret you in a way because ngibone sebefake nesithombe lesase UK manje sekuthiwa uthi kahle kahle afuna ukushutha nani yabo hayi ukuthi akathanda ukushutha ngani wakhala ngakho lokuthi abantu inkinga they don't understand mfethu yabo umuntu nawo nama emotions awukwazi ngaso sonke isikhathi mfethu ukuthi yabo
khona nje omunye owenze example angazi ukuba ethi imagine ukuthi uvuka ekseni emsebenzini mhlawumbe ucasula ukuthi uvuka late ucasula mhlawumbe amanzi awekho ugesi awekho uhamba itaxi ucasula taxi driver endleleni ucasula into eziningi emsebenzini futhi ucasula abakuze ufika endlini ebusuku ufika vele sanibona kube ngathi ukwatile but kuningi okwenzakalile ugcina ukuthi kukushape kuze kufike kulowo muntu manje umuntu okubonayo kade ehlele ekhaya uzothi hawu yini lo namamuthi kanti kade ugowa usuke so I think nabo Scots they go through the same thing imagine ngikhala at this level ukuthi ubhiza kulala so imagine go Scots at a high level ukuthi
lazi phela vele uma ukuthi nje ku industry vele usublow uphile ngempela iyaqala ngempela mfethu busy yabo wonke umuntu ufila sengazuthi I'm your friend yabo ngisho abantu akade ungabazi before manje yabo usagcwali and amaphepha ayathanda ukukwakha amaphepha ke yabo because ayazi ukuthi vele asazogaina futhi mayisekubhidliza nawo because bafike bawakhe labantu bakuthi fethu azofika ukuthi sekuthiwa ayeke manje ke sebezoyenza ngokugceka ke manje imali yabo
so yeah so umuntu bakithi umuntu so nje
kodwa hopefully mfethu uzosebenza nabo ngoba vele ekugcineni mfethu we are manifesting our lives bra yabo mina ngiyakholelwa kule nto mfethu ukuthi vele what you gonna get is what you want mfethu yabo
once you put your mind on into it's definitely gonna happen
and eJozi ku right isikhona leso spirit mfethu futhi hayi asicollaborate yabo eJozi akufani nalana ukuthi like KZN sibuye sibe nayo kakhulu lento ukuthi ngathi siya compete kanti sometimes ukuhlangana mfethu ikhona okwenza ukuthi because ngeke na uzuluza ama fans ngokuthi uhlangane nobani yabo
and that's when there are specific key people so that you can make it maybe specific key people akufani seJozi is vast la yabo but ziyakhipha kumnandi eThekwini kakhulu
phela vele eDubani uyalazi mfethu uyohlezi ufica kupholiwe eDubani phela kupholiwe yabo kupholiwe wonke umuntu uyazi mayifuna ukuzophola vele yabo uzofika vele aphole eDubani so manje what message ke mhlawumbe nje mfethu will do like nje ukuthi uyiphase mfethu yabo to omunye umuntu nje naye mhlawumbe mfethu as a dream yabo ukuthi abe artist and mhlawumbe ufila naye sengazuthi ezinye izinto mfethu azenze ngendlela afuna ukuzenza ngazo yabo
ngathi nje mfethu it's possible nje it's possible keep on keeping on it takes time keep on keeping on nje bekezela kancane do something each day towards iphupho lakho noma kuthiwa kancane kangakanani
yeah
noma kuthiwa upost isithombe ukuthi hey bafethu hey thina ngomusic wami but upost ilink but something noma kuthiwa kusabona ngomusic in other spheres of life and other spaces do something most awunomsebenzi send one CV wosuku cinga abo but do something each day towards whatever you want because if you put your mind into kuyona into it focus possible ukuthi ke akaze kwabalula more especially for us thina indle emnyama akaze kwabalula so nje yazi ukuthi modle emnyama ikhona lento ngathi sidalela ukuthi manje siqale
uqala ushizile
mase but I feel like lokho it's because we journey so that you can have stories ukutshela abanye abantu because uma usoxoxa kanje abanye abantu bayakhula from the stories because you might never know ukuthi umunye umuntu mhlawumbe uyena is going through into leyo wadlula kuyona mhlawumbe usuyamtshela wadlula kanjani or may affect ukuthi hayi kuyadluleka ami ngaba khona but ngadlula so experience so thola experience so nje keep on nje ungapheli umoya blocker noise ozoyiza kubantu mhlawumbe kubeye bekutshela ukuthi hey iyabheda lento uculo lona yanhlanyisa lento
kokhalate lento yabo
yabo so nje iba le planner ungasiyeki isikole
hayi manje kushuthi vele ongabathi angathi akezwe kushuthi vele indlebe uyivale ngamabomu yabo so ke manje umuntu okufuna ukustreama ke nje umusic wakho mfethu angawustreama kuphi yabo then nama socials ke kuze because phela siyafunda abantu bafollow kwishe futhi yabo
music wami nje across all platforms yonke platform ekhona nje online nje makuthiwa yipi noma kuthiwa yipi phone noma kuthiwa Apple noma kuthiwa Android uzothola so just search Thibo SA that's T dash BOE SA or just Thibo then ke futhi ku across all platforms social media excuse me yakhona futhi uThibo SA T dash BOE SA kwezinye indawo ukho udash it's just T BOE SA
then I follow whoever will busu shit ne Resonation
also guys
Resonation Records
management office it cool Resonation Records across nakhona futhi all platforms
I know ngoba phela vele mfethu iyona into esiyifunayo le ukuthi i-movement mfethu lokho ikhulile mfethu yabo nje nami mfethu into what I can say nje mfethu uthi ay good luck mfethu yabo but ngiyayizwa mfethu ihanga and I do see ukuthi nane journey yakho mfethu it's gonna be isivele ya inspire already yabo wawona ukuthi ube kule position okuyona mfethu and ngathi nje ningakhula negang mfethu yabo izinto iqhubeka mina vele senipopile already yabo senipopile already yabo ukubhala ukupop mfethu is the state of mind kahle kahle yona into abantu abangayi understand yabo abantu abaningi bayithetha uma kuthi upopile sekumele uveze ama million ebank kanti hayi ama million afuna usha khona ukupopa
imali
yabo asikhathi mindset isilapha uzobona mfethu yonke into sekuthi nje manje go and collect
the money what's yours
but nje khona already nje mfethu umqondo cause ngiyabona ukuthi mfethu yabona ngendlela enisebenza ngayo yabona ngendlela enenza ngayo iyakhombisa mfethu ukuthi I know kahlahle i-blueprint ikhona ukuthi kiwa because phela i-direction is more important than speed mfethu yabo i-speed vele into efika because uma sekuspita kakhulu i-direction adinga kabike uzospita to yabo uzogcina yabo because uba uJ Cole akashutha the good news nigga yabo you came a long way you take the bad news
but
you went the wrong way yabo hiyo phela into esuke inkinga leyo because manje uma ungayi endaweni right akusizi yabo
but I feel like indawo right uzwa la phakathi yabo njengoba ngisho ukuthi hazi silale kunjani up and down anginankinga nje angiright noma ngikhathele ngiright kodwa ubona uma ukuthi mhlawumbe kwenzeka into ekanjalo la usebenza khona but uyakhaya yabona
should vele ayo ke usehlathini vele
just nje inhliziyo yakhe ilandela
I know thank you mfethu thank you for ukufika thank you for ukufika nawe mbukeli uma ukuthi ubusabukile kuze kube la yabo thank you so much please subscribe yabo subscriber follow Thibo ne Resonation bona wonke ama social media platforms and also ke press i-notification button nala kuthina nakuthina futhi usicheck futhi na upopile nje studios kuyona yonke indawo yabo ukuze sazoqhubeka nje nani niyazi ke mfethu yabo sifuna ukukhula kakhulu nathi siye phambili. Lumkile Zinyanga signing out. Thank you.
Peace.
Yeah. Dreams. Yeah, I got dreams. Yeah, I got dreams.